Hey, it's Jason with Dad's That Cook. What are we making tonight? We're making Thai cashew chicken. It's so simple, so easy, but the flavors are amazing. Let's get on it and I'll show you how to do it. I've got all these ingredients. I've got my chicken, I got a pound of that. I've got some cashews. We need to toast those up a little bit with some sesame oil. Some garlic, some onion. We've got some green onions, mushrooms, carrots. So the first thing we need to do though is we need to make a marinade for the chicken. A couple of teaspoons of cornstarch. We're gonna put that in there. 1 tablespoon of water, a teaspoon of sesame oil. So we're gonna do a couple of teaspoons of soy sauce. 1, 2. And I need to chop up this garlic and stick it in there. If you can do your marinade ahead of time, great, go ahead, 10 minutes up to, overnight. I'm just doing it quick because sometimes when you're out working or doing whatever you're doing, you want stuff to happen fast. Let's stick that in there with that. Mix this stuff up. Get another board for that chicken. Towel. No more slidey, no more slidey. I'm gonna go right down the center like that. Bingo. Bango! I'm gonna stick that in there. We're gonna take this little marinade that we got going on, stick it right on top. Massage it in there a little bit. Put a little top on that. We'll let it sit here because I like it kind of room temperature when I cook. Also, I want to let you know I got some jasmine rice sitting off to the side over here that I cooked, and it's going to just kind of do its thing while I'm getting everything ready. So right now, let's work on the sauce. We need 3 tablespoons of water, a teaspoon of the cornstarch. We're going to throw that in there. Then I need some soy sauce, 4 tablespoons of soy sauce, and let's kind of mix that together. All right, good. Teaspoon fish sauce, add that in there. Tablespoon of oyster sauce. It's getting sloppy. Oh well, making a mess. Mix that up. And I need to put the sugar in, which is about a teaspoon. And if you want a little sweeter, put a little more sugar in. Put some honey in. If you want to put honey, you can use whatever you want. Gotta get these guys toasted. So I just need a couple of tablespoons. And just like that. Get that heat going. Stick those in the pan, oil them up a little bit. Roast. So you don't want it super hot because then they'll burn, right? But you want them on a medium heat. And you only want to do this for about 2 minutes, okay? What do you do when you gotta wait for your nuts? Oh, see it toasting up. Look at that. Toasting up. Okay, so I prepped up all my stuff. I got my carrots all sliced up, my onions. You know what, and I decided at the last minute, I'm gonna put a little bit of honey in the sauce. Rather than using a bunch of sugar, so I'm gonna add about another tablespoon or 2. We're just gonna mix that up. Let's get our pan hot and going so we can cook all this stuff up. And we're gonna use some avocado oil because it's high heat, it can handle it. So we're gonna put a couple of tablespoons in there.
Hey, something really smells good.
Oh yeah? Hey Lulu.
What are you making?
I am making cashew chicken, girlfriend.
Ooh.
Pretty much you smell the sesame oil right now.
Oh, is that all I'm smelling?
And the toasted cashew nuts. All right, let's crank that down a little bit, medium high. Let that work for a little while. Stir that up, a couple minutes. Okay, we want to get this nice and kind of browned up. And then we're gonna add a couple of these red pepper flakes right here. That's what we're doing. Just to kick it up a little bit. So, we add the carrots. Throw it all in there. And let's stir it up. Can you smell it? Can you? I can. Oh, you get back in there. Oh, it's good. So we sort of hang out and let it sit a little bit. We'll let it relax. Okay, so we gotta add our sauce now. Let's get the sauce. Drizzle that in there. Yeah. So I start picking up. Put the cashews in there. Mix those in. All right, so we're all done. And we're here. Let's plate it up, girlfriend.
Yeah, let's eat. My wine is perfect with Asian kind of style. So what's the sauce?
Sauce is a soy sauce kind of mixture.
That sounds really good.
Isn't that?
Mmm.
Isn't that?
Oh!
Yeah? Was it spicy? It
You add a little bit extra
just a little.
kick?
No, well, it's a little bit of red pepper. That's for the peppers.
Oh, but it does have a little kick.
Mm-hmm.
I love it. I think I'm gonna go sit down and eat it. All right.
All right, so this is super simple. Less than 30 minutes to make this. Really tasty. I'm loving it. So I'll show you the recipe. Make sure you make it. So we'll see you next time on Dad's That Cook. Hey, thanks for watching. You want to see more cool videos like this one on Dad's That Cook? Make sure you subscribe. You want to win some really cool stuff? Subscribe. You want to get notified? Make sure you know what's going on? Subscribe.